In the last video, I built a small network using the following information. VLAN 1, which is the default, and the VLAN I'm about to create, VLAN 5. Let's create a VLAN. Okay, click on the switch, and we want CLI, and I'll zoom in. Okay, we want to enable the switch. We want to configure the terminal. And then we want to create VLAN 5. We want to give VLAN 5 a name. And enter the interface. And I want to use port 5 because we're creating VLAN 5. I like to keep my VLANs and ports uniform. It's better for easy troubleshooting later on. And now we can type this completely out, or we can use shortcuts. So SH tab, M tab, A tab. Switch port mode access. Again, you can type it out, or the shortcut. Enter. SW tab, A tab, and VLAN 5. Switch port access, VLAN 5. Enter. And I want to get out of here now. And enter again. Then we are in user mode. So we can take a look at a couple things here. So SH VLAN, which stands for show VLAN. And if I zoom up to the top here, you can see VLAN 5 called Sleeping Pill, and it is active on port 5. In the next few videos, I will be creating a network very similar to this, but located in another building. And we are going to have the two networks in separate buildings communicate using trunking, or use trunks. So you want to stay tuned for that.